Hello everyone, so in this video we will be basically discussing about some more objects which are to be imported up here. Like previously we have imported up a bed, okay, along with side table, along with a carpet. Okay, so as you know, all the things are easily available up in 3D warehouse. You can easily go to Windows and then again to 3D warehouse. Okay, so now again we are visiting 3D warehouse, discussing on the curtains, the type of curtains you need to import, because curtains also play a major role for the light effects and the other things. Okay, so like these kind of curtains, like which you are seeing on top, these are kind of opaque curtains which usually don't allow light to penetrate through them. Okay, so then they make a dark atmosphere inside your room. Okay, and like in these kind of curtains, the penetrable light curtains, which are kind of bit transparent in like texture. Okay, so they are quite nice. Okay, and they provide a soothing effect to your bedroom. And as well, it totally depends on you and your client's choice, the color you are placing in the room, the textures, the wall textures, the woodworks you are doing. Okay, so now we will be like totally dealing with the full interior 3D for this. Okay, and earlier we have decided we will be having a wardrobe for like near about 4 feet only, but now as we have changed our plans, so we will be pushing back the dado to a certain certain limit, so that our wardrobe can easily import up in, and we can have a good good spacious wardrobe, as they have, our clients have suggested us that they want a good spacious wardrobe. So we will be dealing up here with it. Okay, so then that part will be for the dressing, and then there will be the washroom section. Okay, the portion you are seeing on the other side will be for the washroom, and here will be a door for the entry. Okay, this washroom part we will be like dealing on later on. Okay, so we will be basically focusing on this room's interior. So full interior, like what specific details you need to have it while you are like while you are just going up with this model. So all the texture details, all the details will be explained up in this video, the processing videos after this. Okay, the now you can see the back side of bed, the texture won't be applied on the front side wall as well, because it's quite dense. We will be doing some of the woodworks, okay, but it won't be that much dense, which is being earlier up there. Okay, so this was for the video, so thank you, keep watching the other videos.